Friends, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Incognito in Grok. So as you can see here, I'm in the Grok chatbot here, the Grok AI chat. So if you want to use Incognito, all you have to do is look to the upper right hand side here and you will find an option that says switch to temporary chat. Now Incognito, it's basically a temporary chat that does not record your history, and this is the same thing when you switch to the temporary chat. And as you can see at the bottom here, it says this chat is temporary and won't appear in your history. So you can simply go ahead and start ask it what you want. So if I ask it what is ChatGPT and hit enter, you will see that it's gonna basically search for what is ChatGPT, and afterwards, if I go to, for example, my history, you will see that it does not record it afterwards. So currently you can see that I have two things in my history here, but you will not see anything regarding what is ChatGPT, right? So, and you can see that I currently ask it something, and if I click, for example, on Grok on the upper left hand side, you will see that the temporary chat is gone and I'm back in the normal or the default chat. Now I'm going to go back into my history again, and you can see that it's not recorded. So that's it, guys. It's very easy and very simple how you can use the incognito. Keep in mind, whenever you use a chat, if you want to go back to the home dashboard, just simply click on Grok on the upper left hand side and it will take you back to the home dashboard here. And that's it. That's how to use incognito in Grok.